Okay, joke lang po, mga kababayan. So, anyway, let's start. My makeup for today is just a simple eyeliner. Black eyeliner. I don't know. It's brown black. And mascara, some foundation, and some lipstick with lip moisturizer. And I just brow my eyebrow. Very simple. I just trace my natural brows. Anyway, so let's proceed to my makeup. I use Nichido for my foundation, and the shade is tan. And for my mascara, I use Maybelline. Yeah, it's a waterproof and it's a good one, and I love this. Mwah. Anyway, and for my lipstick, I use matte lipstick from Nichido. Anyway, I am not here to do some makeup tutorial, girl. And you know why I'm here? Huh? Yeah, it's for you, Marnie. Sa totoo lang, ayoko kasi masyadong seryoso yung message ko sa'yo. Alam mo yun, baka mamaya lalo ka ma-homesick, lalo ka ma-depress dyan, di ba? So, kumusta ka naman dyan? Never heard from you since you went there sa Germany. Kumusta ka na? I don't know kung this is a so-called vlog. Since I'll be posting this on YouTube. Sana okay ka naman dyan. Medyo mahirap yung time adjustment. Tsaka, mahirap kasi wala kami dyan ngayon sa tabi mo. Pero sana enjoy mo lang. Explore. Maging adventures ka. Gawin mo lahat ng mga bagay na hindi mo nagagawa dito before, since you're free pag nandiyan ka na. Anyway, ayun nga. Sorry hindi na ako nakatawag sa'yo nung nakaraan kasi hindi ko alam kung what time exactly ang alis mo. Tsaka tinanghali rin ako ng gising. Ang ganda ng excuse, diba? Napakabait ko talagang kaibigan. Anyway, basta kung kailangan mo ako, hindi dito lang ako. Today is May 5, 2012. Ang ingay, pasensya na. May 5, 2012. Around 2:30 p.m. Ayun nga, so galing dito, your man just came over here and been asking me, kumusta ka na daw? If I already heard some news about you, or kung na-message mo na ba ako, nagparamdam ka na ba? Sa nakikita ko naman sa Facebook mo, wala pa naman. So anyway, let's proceed to the main topic. Kumusta ka na? How's the food? How's the time? How's the weather? Is it fine? I heard that you will be going to Spain along with your tita. Pasalubong, size 5, okay? Size 5, chocolate, okay na yan. Simple lang, hindi, joke lang. Anyway, yun nga, basta, pag na-homesick ka dyan, excuse me, paka-busy ka lang. Huwag mo masyadong isipin kami dito, dahil okay naman kami. Ikaw yung iniisip namin dyan, kumusta ka na dahil malayo ka sa amin. So, nami-miss ka rin namin. Lalo na ngayon, wala kang mapapagkatiwalaan dyan. Hindi mo alam kung sino yung pagkakatiwalaan mo. So, ayun nga, sana wag kang masyadong mapaka-stress dyan, and sana enjoy mo lang yung pag-stay mo. Although 2 years is a very, very long time for us, waiting for you to come back. Waiting for you to come back. Na 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 na. Like that. Ay, nako! Pawis na ako. Kita mo ba yung pawis? Ayan na. Tsaka, hello, Marin. Tika mo, tinitigiyawat na ako. Magmula na umuwi akong galing Masbate. Oof. I just noticed. Hindi. Pangit ko pala sa camera. Kasi rin naman sa personal. Hindi lang maganda ilong ko. Anyway, ayun na nga. So, masyado na ako nalilibang at natutuwa sa aking mukha. Ayun nga. Namimiss ka na ni your man. Namimiss ka na nung your man mo. So, sana, ayun nga, mag-message ka naman sa amin or comment, like, or answer ka naman dito sa video na ginawa ko. So, anyway, hindi na lang magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Nakakapagod talaga sa biyahe. Actually, I really did enjoy our reunion at Masbate, Bicol region. Actually, I went a little bit tan. As you can see, hindi na bantay ang aking skin tone. Pero that's okay, girl. Okay lang yun. Pag-uwi mo dito, mas maputi ka na sa akin. So, I guess hanggang dito na lang muna yung video. Bye. Bye. Bye.